For those looking to pursue career opportunities in the United Kingdom, understanding the new landscape of UK work visas in 2025 is absolutely essential. The UK's work visa system has recently undergone some of its most significant reforms in years, with sweeping changes aimed at managing migration, prioritizing highly skilled talent, and ensuring fair treatment of international workers. Whether you're a skilled professional hoping to relocate or an employer seeking to hire international staff, here's everything you need to know about eligibility, requirements, and the step-by-step application process for the UK Skilled Worker Visa in 2025. Let's start with eligibility. In 2025, the primary route for most professionals coming to the UK for work remains the Skilled Worker Visa. The eligibility criteria are now more rigorous than in previous years, reflecting the government's efforts to attract top-tier talent while tightening overall migration. First and foremost, you must have a confirmed job offer from a UK employer who is approved by the Home Office. This means your prospective employer needs to hold a valid sponsor license, a critical first step before any application can proceed. But having a job offer isn't enough on its own. The position you're offered must be on the government's list of eligible occupations, which is periodically updated to match the UK's economic needs. In 2025, the bar for eligible roles has been raised. Now, only jobs classified at RQF Level 6 or above, essentially graduate-level positions, qualify for sponsorship. This change is designed to ensure that the UK labour market is filled with highly skilled professionals, and it means that many roles previously open to mid-level or lower-skilled workers are no longer eligible. In addition to the type of job, salary is another crucial criterion. The minimum salary threshold has seen a significant increase. As of June 2025, you must be paid at least £38,700 per year, or the going rate for your specific occupation if it is higher than this figure. This is a substantial jump from previous years and is part of the government's effort to reduce net migration and focus on high-earning skilled workers. For some occupations, the going rate may be even higher, so it's important to check the latest guidance for your specific field. Language proficiency is also a core requirement. Applicants must demonstrate English language skills at a minimum of B2 level on the Common European Framework of Reference for Languages, which is considered upper intermediate proficiency. This ensures that new arrivals can integrate into the workplace and wider society, and you'll typically need to provide evidence through an approved English test or academic qualifications taught in English. Financial requirements are also in place to ensure that newcomers can support themselves upon arrival. You must show proof of at least £1,270 in personal savings, held for at least 28 consecutive days before you apply. This requirement is designed to demonstrate that you won't become reliant on public funds during your initial period in the UK. Now let's walk through the application process, step by step. Once you have a job offer from a licensed sponsor, your employer will issue you a Certificate of Sponsorship, or COS. This is a unique reference number with details about your job and your sponsorship. Think of it as your official ticket into the UK work system. It's important to note that employers are now strictly prohibited from recovering certain sponsorship-related costs from you, such as the sponsor license fee or the COS fee. This new rule, in force since the end of 2024, is intended to protect international workers from unfair financial exploitation and ensure a level playing field. With your Certificate of Sponsorship in hand, you can now begin your online application for the Skilled Worker Visa. The application form will ask for personal and employment details, evidence of English language proficiency, proof of personal savings, and your sponsorship information. You'll also need to pay the application fee, which varies depending on the length of your visa and whether your job is on any shortage occupation lists, as well as the immigration health surcharge. The health surcharge is a mandatory payment that grants you access to the UK's National Health Service during your stay. After submitting your application online, you'll need to schedule a biometrics appointment to provide fingerprints and a photograph. This is a standard part of the UK's security checks. For most overseas applicants, the processing time is around 3 weeks. while those applying from within the UK can expect a wait of up to 8 weeks. During this time, your application will be assessed for compliance with all requirements, so it's crucial that every part of your submission is accurate and complete. If your application is successful, you'll receive your visa either electronically or as a vignette sticker in your passport, depending on your location. At this point, you can make arrangements to travel to the UK and begin your new job. Once you arrive, you may be required to collect a biometric residence permit, which serves as your official proof of immigration status. It's also important to understand the long-term implications of these changes. In 2025, the residency period required for most foreign workers to apply for indefinite leave to remain, the UK's version of permanent residency, has been doubled from 5 years to 10 years. Only highly skilled workers on certain fast-track schemes can bypass this lengthy wait. This change reflects the government's broader policy to limit permanent migration, so if you're considering settling in the UK long-term, be sure to factor this into your plans. Additionally, the government has abolished the immigration salary list, which previously allowed some roles to qualify for lower salary thresholds due to shortages. Now, all applicants must meet the standard higher salary requirement, further narrowing the pool of eligible jobs. To summarize, the UK's 2025 work visa system is focused on attracting highly qualified, well-compensated professionals who can contribute to the UK's economy and society. The process is more demanding than ever, with higher skill and salary requirements, stricter employer responsibilities, and a longer pathway to permanent residency. However, for those who meet these standards, the UK remains an exciting destination with world-class career opportunities. If you're considering applying for a UK work visa in 2025, start by researching eligible roles, confirming your prospective employer's sponsorship status, and preparing the necessary documentation well in advance. Stay informed about ongoing policy changes as the immigration landscape continues to evolve. With careful planning and a clear understanding of the new requirements, your journey to working in the UK can be a successful one.